Hello guys, this is my first video. I'm going to unbox my new Nikon 85mm f/1.8G which I just received. I'm so excited about it. Let's unbox it. Okay, so there is this Nikon dealer's record sheet. So I got it from UK, so it's Nikon Europe. Not very interesting. Okay, and then I have a pouch for my lens. Looks alright. Yeah. And there is my baby. Okay, come on. Right, here it is. Sorry, this is my first video, so I'm using camera to record it. So my one hand is not free. I'll try to be better next time. Okay, so yeah, it looks well sealed from both sides. Hopefully it's a good copy. What is this? Right. So here is this camera cap. And there is the lens, nicely wrapped up, and nice. Okay, this is the mirror cap. Let me put it on, and this is the lens. Nikon 1.1/8G 85mm. I'm going to do a test ride of it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.